Camp Nou is moving at a completely different level right now. Compression ring is still rising, third tier is shaping up fast, and the facade is starting to change the whole look of the stadium. In today's update, we break down all the latest progress you don't want to miss. The compression ring continues to move forward at a strong pace, with a new section installed toward the north goal. This brings the total to 16 completed segments out of 124. Each unit is approximately 9 meters long and weighs close to 28 tons. Crews are currently securing the latest segment, tightening bolts and ensuring precise alignment with the radial beam. The lateral side is now close to completion, with only a small gap remaining before the focus fully shifts toward both goal ends. Assembly work remains highly active, with specialized teams working simultaneously on different tasks. Workers are handling bolting, structural adjustments, and final alignment of installed segments. At the same time, support structures such as scaffolding are being positioned in advance for upcoming installations. On the north side, ceramic facade installation is progressing steadily. A full horizontal section of slats has been added, extending close to the main concrete superpillar. The anchoring system is already in place, allowing for faster installation moving forward. This area is beginning to show visible exterior transformation as more panels are added in sequence. Work on the third tier is focused on structural finishing and joint treatment. Crews are actively sealing joints by applying filler materials followed by protective sealant. Progress is being made section by section, while other areas are being cleared and prepared for upcoming stages. Additional activity is visible in upper sections where structural elements and support areas are still under development. Groundwork on the north side continues with the development of a visible ramp structure. The terrain is being shaped to create a smooth transition for future access routes. Although activity in this specific zone is currently limited, the formation indicates that foundational work is nearing completion, with final elevation adjustments expected in the next phase. Several lateral sections are now fully prepared for future facade installation. Anchoring points are already installed, and surfaces appear ready for ceramic panel placement. This suggests that upcoming work will shift more heavily toward exterior finishing. Some core structures, especially on the north side, are nearing completion with sandwich panels installed up to the top. These sections are almost ready for final integration with walkways and connecting structures, marking a significant milestone in vertical development. In the lateral sector, enclosure work on the VIP rings is steadily progressing. The lower level is already fitted with glass panels, while the upper sections are being covered with panel-type cladding, likely sandwich-style materials. These upper areas will eventually be concealed by decorative slats, showing that both structural and finishing work are advancing together. In the Tribuna sector, activity is currently focused on structural refinements and installations beyond the main seating areas. Concrete works are ongoing on upper pillar sections, where finishing layers are being completed. Additionally, a structural support system for a large screen has been identified, indicating upcoming installation of major display elements that will enhance the stadium's visual infrastructure. At pitch level, the press box structures remain in place and continue to occupy a significant portion of the seating area. These installations are expected to stay for an extended period, as relocating them to their final position in the upper levels will require additional approvals and complex logistical coordination. The decorative slats are now playing a key role in defining the stadium's visual identity. As more sections are installed, varying tones and color contrasts become visible depending on the viewing angle. In more advanced areas, this feature is already giving a strong impression of the final exterior design. Installation of black-colored panels has now started to become clearly visible, especially in the upper sections around the VIP enclosure areas. These panels are being fitted as part of the facade and cladding system. Work is progressing section by section, and as more panels are installed, they are beginning to define the visual finish of these areas while also covering previously open structural surfaces. From a panoramic perspective, the stadium is showing clear overall progress, with multiple construction fronts advancing simultaneously. Structural components, facade elements, and internal developments are becoming more aligned, giving the stadium a more unified and complete appearance. That's it for today's update. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.